Well, we are in front of an interesting Hyundai Staria camper van concept, and we shall be looking firstly to check up this white variant so we get a clear understanding on what's what. So it's called the Staria camper concept, saying electric era travel. Well, looks like pretty different design than the standard camper vans with a pop-up roof bed design, and we are seeing now the back part, but I will be going in front so you can understand better how it's designed. So we are going around and checking firstly on the outside how this looks, and then we can go and get straight inside so you can understand better how this Hyundai concept of camper van looks, with fold-up table, cookware, and there is also a fridge. Well, this is the smart control system, and if we go to the back, you can check up this smart slide-out table, and then you can fold down this to get an actual true bed also on the lower part. But we will be checking actually this version that have already the bed made, and this looks just like this. So long bed you can sleep too, and on the upper part there is additional bed, so it can sleep additional two people. Well, interesting design. Let's go to the back so you get a clear view on how this looks for a two sleeper or four sleeper person with a slide out table. Yep, this is a pretty interesting design. And outer shutter and additional storage compartments all around. Well, this is now just a concept. It's called the Staria camper concept.